Em, can you hear me? You okay? Come on. Oh God, you're okay.
Jack,
I'm so sorry.
what the fuck, Jack?
I was so surprised. I didn't mean that to happen. I have a picnic up there for you, like a surprise picnic for your birthday. I didn't think I thought that you would go the other way to where the picnic was. I didn't think you would go off the cliff. Can you feel your legs? Can you feel your legs? Em, your legs, can you feel them?
Yes, Jack, I can feel my fucking legs.
Thank God. That was amazing. You rode off the cliff. I can't believe you survived that.
God, so stupid.
You were so mad at me this morning. You thought I'd forgotten your birthday, didn't you? I'm sorry about your bike, too. I'll get you another bike.